Hey y'all,
Hi.
welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday, April 8th. It is the day before Easter Sunday, and today we are going to
Go shopping for eggs so we can draw them.
we're gonna color some Easter eggs.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So we're gonna go to Michael's first, find us some coloring kits. Instead of like doing it, normally we'll just use some food coloring and make them all the same color, but we want to kind of like be fancy this time, like make them like tie-dye and all of that. So we're going to go get some Easter egg coloring kits. We're going to go grab us some eggs, and then we're going to come on back to the house, and then we're going to get started in this thing. Let's go.
Hi guys. So we're back from the store, and so we got 30 eggs from, I think it was with Dixie. Yeah, with Dixie. And then we got some of these unicorn eggs.
We got two of the Paws coloring kits. One is a unicorn egg kit, and one is a magical coloring cup. And so it says it's easy to use, so we're gonna see. And we also have these little eggs right here that we're gonna put candies and things like that in. So we're gonna get started. We got our water boiling, and let's go.
Yeah.
Start dipping it in there. Let me sit in there. So we're just dropping them in there. We didn't have any vinegar, so we're hoping that they come out right.
Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, rolling, Leave me out of work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my
This is the finished product, you guys.
And guess what?
The magic marker
Did not work.
Did not work.
But so lucky for me that I had some markers. We had yellow marker, a pink marker, and a jumbo orange marker.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. This is the final results, and we are going to close it out here. I'm going to do a close-up. Look at our cute little Easter eggs. You guys, they really have...
This
what does
one's,
it say?
it says Happy Easter. I did a heart.
These guys really have eyes.
I
This is
hope
so real.
I hope y'all make your own. You can take a picture and maybe you can show us how yours turn out.
All right. See you in the next one. Bye.